Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about comparison operators. So in the previous videos we have learned about assignment operators and arithmetic operators, but in this video we will learn about comparison operators. So there is some comparison operators. So that is equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So these are some comparison operators. So what is the comparison operators? We also call them conditional operators. So these are comparison operators or conditional operators. We use them in conditional statements when we want to check some condition. So comparison operators are used to check some condition. So if we have two numbers or two variables and we want to compare them, so we will use these operators. And when we use comparison operators, so their answer or their output will be in a Boolean value. So that will be a true or false. True or false. So we use comparison operators in conditional statements, but for now we will use in print statement to check the value or check the answer of comparison operators. So for example, I have two numbers, that is 10 and 5. So now I have to compare them. So I want to check if they are both are the same values or equal to. So I will use equal to operator, equal to comparison operator. So I will use a double equal to sign. So this is the equal to comparison operators. So it will check if 10 is equal to 5. So if 10 is equal to 5, then it will return the true or return the true value, or if the 10 is not equal to 5, then it will show that it will return the value false. So let's run this. So it's showing false because 10 is not equal to 5. So it's checking if 10 is equal to 5, but it's not equal, so it's showing the false. So if I write 10, so 10 is equal to 10, then it will show the result true, because both are the same numbers and 10 is equal to 10. And there is another number that is not equal to. Not equal to. So it will check if 10 is not equal to 10. So it will return false because 10 is not equal to 10. But these are the equal to, so it will return false. So if there is a 5, then it will check if 10 is not equal to 5. So it's true that 10 is not equal to 5, so it will return true. So you can write any number and check them, so it will also return true because 1 is not equal to 5. So another is less than. So basically less than will check if the one number is equal to or not, is less than or not. So if I write 10 less than 5, so it will check if 10 is less than 5. So it's not less than 5, so it will return false result. So if there is 15, then it will show the true value because 10 is greater than 5, so it becomes a true condition. So it will return true. And there is greater than, So it will check if 10 is greater than 15. So 10 is not greater than 15, so the condition is false and it will return false value. So basically we use conditional operators or comparison operator to check some condition, and if the condition is true, then it will show the result or return the result true. If the condition is false, then it will show false. So here the condition is false. Let me do it 20. So 20 is greater than 15, so it will show you the true value. And there is an art equal to, less than, equal to. So here it's taking two conditions. So if the number is less than and equal to, so less than, equal to. So if 20 is equal to 20, it will also show the true value. And if 19 is less than 20, so it will also show you true. But if the 15 is less than 20, so it will also show the true value, because it is used to check if the sum number is less than or equal to. So it should not be greater than, so it should be or equal to or less than. So if I write 1, but it also show the true value. So if I use that is greater than, equal to, so it will check if the sum number, any number is greater than or equal to. So that number should be greater than or equal to. So let me run this. So 1 is greater than or equal to 20. So the condition is false and it will show the false. So if there is a 20, it will also run and it will also show the true value. And if there is a 30, 21, so the result is true. And other 50 or any number, so this number is greater than 20, so it will also show you the true value. So in the less than or equal to, it will give the true value when the number is less than or equal to. If a number is greater than, so it will be false. And in greater than or equal to, it will check the number should be greater than or equal to, so it should not be less than. So if the number is less than, so it will return the false result. So these are the some comparison operators or conditional operators. We use them in conditional statements that we will learn in upcoming videos. So that's all for today.